elevators at the Quality Inn in Schaumburg. It's an old Series 1. Oh, it's got the old indicator too, look at that. Nice. This place was probably built in the early 80s if this is original.
I think it's 1983.
This looks about correct then for... It's a cool indicator. That still lights up, just barely.
Right there.
Old style button. That's a quick ride between floors. Oh, it's hot in here.
The floor panel's kind of high.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's not an 88 compliant panel. Let's see if the indicator works. It's red. I've never seen that before. Back down to 1. Oh, it's bumpy. Those buttons don't match. That's supposed to be a yellow button.
Looks like it was a replacement.
Yeah. 88 compliant phone. I've never seen one of these with a red indicator. I wonder if that's rare.
Where's Isaac?
Here's Dakota. It's a nice elevator though. It's not a little bumpy.
I like these better than the Series.
Is this 2 or 1?
This is 1.
Okay. I was gonna say, I don't know if... There that goes. Nice elevator, actually. Giant light fixture. There it goes. And that was kind of cool. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.